This wrong is what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. What I am was if you didn't mean.
Wow,
Just know
nice.
what you
I
intend
love it.
and make it up. And you will sing me to your fantasy. Really not in love. So let me go. I must be free.
Yeah, everyone, hello. Sayo ka muna. Judge. Wow.
You're only using me to feel your fantasy. You're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free.
Ito ka muna. Yes, wow, kili-kili. I'm stretching right now because my back is hurt. What?
Loving the tops, thank you. I'm sure that's mine. I'm sure that's mine. Wow, Kili Kili powers. I love them. I love them. What? How are you doing?
Yeah,
Hi, Han.
same
I'm
here.
doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing yummy. Baliktad. Cheers. Thank you, Sanders. It's $3. You wanna buy this?
Both of you stretch. Yeah, my back and my, yeah, super hurts. I need to exercise. One, two. One. TikTok ka muna.
This message.
Exercise muna ako dito.
It's very big and black.
What? What?
Ask
Dun,
something
dun, dun.
ask Anjali, guys. Ask her anything you wanna ask about her.
Yes.
If she's
Yeah.
single, she's single and ready to mingle. Good night, Scott. Thank you for coming. I just seen where a friend of mine that's there in the Philippines using a sand sifter to look for most items in the sand. She's doing this on the island where Manila is located. We would like to do that in Panglao, but we don't know if that's legal though,
Mm-hmm.
because some part of the Philippines is like legal to get to do that. I don't know.
Pwede mag-TikTok dito?
Pwede naman. Pero buburahin ko to ha, yung live. Kasi may copyright tayo.
Patay.
Ha?
Mag-copyright.
Sige, okay lang. Nakapirit na tayo. Kumanta na tayo kanina. When I get the Philippines, I'm going to sing. I did it
Hi,
last
Abby! Oh my God!
How
Hi,
are you
Abby the
wearing the
Philippines!
pants? And what do you think about what's
Hi,
interesting
Bibi Pandak!
and so fun others?
Yeah, good
What
night.
Philippines?
Isa may kan,
Been nice
cousin.
as mods? I don't think. I don't know. I've been a mod and I don't really. Good night, Amy. Thank you for coming. I've been a mod and I don't really like delete someone or delete someone
Huh?
who is regular
What?
to the channel.
What?
I don't time them out. I time
Thomas and Steve, Word
I,
Philippines, huh?
I time the
Good night, Amy, yeah, Sanders, yeah. Hello, Ulysses.
I time
Amy
out
is your
those
cousin, your friend. My cousin. Be
Angelie.
careful happened to me and other guys in Angeline. Huh? What did
Okay,
you
wait
say?
lang, Anjali, wait lang. So, World Philippines. That's why I told Anjali and Clarissa because they already put me on mods. I like it's like every time there's a new people that's nice to them, they put them on mods. So they don't know the personality of first they don't know the personality of the person. They don't know if it's a real person or it's just a kid. Um, they don't know them yet well to trust to moderate on their channel. So I told Anjali, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, take me out as a moderator because that's not good to ikaw ba yung ako si Clarissa?
Ako.
Ikaw. So
Oh.
I told Anjali, please don't put mod everyone on your channel because that's gonna kill your channel, your
Oh,
life
really?
eventually. It's gonna kill your life because you don't know the person you're giving power to, di ba? Where is she now? This other girl's not in my device. Because of jealous guys are more. Don't trust me. I'm hidden on there. Where's she now? You have to let a lot through you don't want to. I've always been hidden Angeli channel. Yeah, yes, moderators who you know will not let anyone disrespect you because it will ruin your channel. It's not only that traveler, it's the people who have small mind, small brain, like because they're jealous or they don't want this person to talk to Angeli because someone might flirting a little bit even though it's just a joke. They're like hide or they're like time out or they're like, you know, jealous guys, yeah. I've been to some online chats where anything was allowed and it caused a lot of problems. My moderator Ron is my oldest moderator that I trust because he knows a lot about YouTube and stuff. Also David. So they help me not to kill my channel at the same time level who who they no you're the no you're the Ron, don't make me ano uh, you're the longest moderator I have. Yeah, you're the longest moderator I have. So I told them, Ron, because I don't wanna get you see these emojis. Other moderators will already delete this one. Hector Timana. He's just showing flag and emoji, kissing and heart. There's nothing wrong with that. That's not spamming. It's one comment. And I see other moderators deleting like this, deleting that. There's nothing wrong with that. It's showing support and love. And they just wanna be shout out their name. My rules for mods is if someone is too much, like 10 comments at the same on the same comments, 10 comments da 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 da, they can time them out for 10 seconds. And then if they do it again, 10 seconds until they learn. If they really want to be in my life, they could be respectful or time out for a long time. Thank you, Hector. Where's Angeli now? trying to use my Gcash. Someone is trying to use my Gcash to send 1,000 pesos and it's unsuccessful. That's good. It's unsuccessful. She said she lost. Her load is finished. Who are you? Someone is trying to take out of your account. Take money, yes, Ron. I don't know why they do that. I think problem with the mass arose because he was jealous and threatening me to come around my house, which I said fine. Not how online guys behave, even worse over in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm glad it's unsuccessful. My goodness. The Chica sent me the notification. Look.